Hi everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get signed out of your Twitter account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, go ahead, open up your phone and get your Twitter app. Once you're in this section, in the home section, this basically gonna look like, and this is the home area, home interface, right? So what you're going to do afterwards, simply gonna go tap on your profile icon on the top left corner, and if you go to the settings and privacy option as well, you cannot find the logout option given over here in this menu available. For that matter, you're gonna go ahead, tap on your account option on top. Now this will give you this kind of interface, which again you can find the deactivate account option, delete account option, but you do not have the sign out. So you're gonna again tap on this account information, and now including your account's information, you will find this logout option in this red text below. Go ahead, tap on this logout option. This will again ask for you a confirmation regarding your logging out session. Go ahead, tap on this logout option right over there, and you will simply be able to get logged out of your Twitter account like that. So this is the way, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.